Now we're going to look at a couple of examples I've already prepared about my name. And at any time, you can check in to see the status of where we left off in one of my classes. Again, in 6th grade, we're looking at Alfred Wegener, and in 5th grade, Sybil Luddington. And as new examples come in, I will be sure to add them down here. So let's take a look at two different Scratch projects I've created. The simplest being the timing. And basically in that project, I'm just going to switch the backgrounds and have the sprite say something new when the background changes, listing things in sequential order from my first command to my last. With the buttons, you'll see some extra sprites that look like the backgrounds. And the goal is that when you click on those sprites, it changes the background and shares the same information. So let's look at timing first. Jump into full screen mode. So the flag is a picture that I found and saved to my computer so that I could add it to my project. This castle is a background that's included in the Scratch program, and you may find that works. And this chart is from my research and an image that I took a screenshot of. Attached 3 different backgrounds. One, an image I searched for and saved to my computer. Another, built into the Scratch library. And a third, a screenshot of some data that I found. Let's take a look at the buttons option. On the buttons option, I have the same information basically, but I've also added my background images as sprites as well. So when I go into full screen mode and I click on a particular background, that version plays. This is a little more interactive. You'd need to think through your logic and your design process in building your project. But if this is something you're ready and willing to tackle, you can make these interactive buttons. Those are some examples of Scratch projects.